Landforms. Today we are going to be looking at landforms. There are three major types of landforms, namely mountains, plateaus, and plains. The focus that produce landforms, the forces that produce these landforms are both internal and external forces. When you go to some places, you see mountains. If you go to some places, you see plain land, and in some places you see plateaus. So these are the landforms. In Gwagwalada here that we are in Abuja is majorly plain land. If you go to Plateau State, you see plateaus. If you go to other places in the east and west and north, the Olumo, you see the mountains. Now, there are forces that make a landform to either be plain land, plateau, or mountain. So let's look at these forces that cause this. We have the internal forces. These are forces which operate within the crust. The earth movement is of two types. We have the vertical and lateral movement. Now, the vertical movement is the up and down movement which causes the crystal rocks to fault. Features produced include block mountains, plateaus, and basins. So the vertical movement, which is pushed by the vertical force of earth movement, causes things like block mountains, plateaus, and basins. Now let's look at lateral movement caused by the lateral force. This is the sidewards movement which causes the crystal rock to fold. Features produced are Fold Mountain and Rift Valley. Volcanic eruption could be affected in two ways, namely internal, external eruption. External eruption is that which the lava gets to the surface of the earth, producing features like lava plains, plateaus, volcanic cones, etc. Internal eruption refers to the lava which solidifies in the crust, producing features like dike, sites, sills batholiths, laccoliths, etc. Now let's talk about external forces. These are forces that operate on the Earth's surface and they are caused by the agents of denudation and depositions. Agents of denudation and modifying agents. Agents of denudation. The following are the major agents of denudation responsible for the formation of landforms. Number 1, weathering. This is responsible for the breaking up of rocks by alternate heating and cooling, chemical action, and the action of living organisms. Erosion. The breaking up of rocks by the action of rock particle being moved over by the Earth's surface by water, wind, and ice. Agents of deposition. So you see the two agents of denudation, weathering and erosion. But the agents of deposition are the following are the forces responsible for the development of depositional features on the Earth's surface. By water. Number 1, by water. The resultant landform by the action of water movement are floodplains, levees, alluvial farms, delta, alluvial plains, etc. Number 2, by ice. The action of ice, thawing or movement on the Earth's surface produces features. Transportation. The movement of rock particles over the surface by water, ice, and wind. Subsequent classes, we are going to be looking at types of mountain, and we're going to be going from there. Thank you. God bless you. Please Subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Support us in any way that you can. Thank you. God bless you.